In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set ATR trailing stop loss in Tradingview. We're going to use an ATR-based trailing stop, which adapts to market volatility. ATR stands for Average True Range. Instead of using a fixed number of points or dollars for your stop, this method widens during volatile moves and tightens when the market is calm, helping you protect profits while giving trades enough breathing room. First, add the indicator to your chart. At the top of the Tradingview interface, click the Indicators tab. In the search bar, type ATR Trailing Stop. You'll see several community scripts. Choose a reputable one with strong feedback and recent updates, such as a script by Zen and the Art of Trading. This helps ensure the logic is transparent and maintained. Once selected, the indicator will load onto your current chart and time frame. Next, open the indicator settings to configure it for your style. Look for the settings icon on the indicator's label and click it. Start with the ATR period. This sets the look-back window used to measure volatility. A common default is 14. A longer period, like 21 or 28, will smooth out short-term noise and make the stop less reactive, which can suit swing trades. A shorter period, like 10, reacts faster to price changes, useful for active traders. But it can lead to more frequent stop-outs. Match the period to your time frame and the behavior of the asset you trade. Then set the ATR multiplier, which controls how far the stop sits from price. A higher multiplier, such as 3, places the stop further away, reducing the chance of getting shaken out but giving back more if price reverses. A lower multiplier, such as 1.5, keeps the stop tighter, locking in profits sooner, but increasing the risk of premature exits during normal pullbacks. As a starting point, consider a larger multiplier on volatile assets or lower timeframes, and a moderate setting for calmer markets. Make small adjustments and review how the line responds before committing to a value. After applying your settings, do a visual check on the chart. You'll see a line that tracks price and steps up as the move progresses, helping to lock in gains. During pullbacks, it typically holds steady, only shifting if price truly reverses. Watch how the line behaves around recent swings and key levels to confirm it aligns with your risk tolerance. Remember, this tool is designed for exit management. It complements your entries and overall plan rather than replacing them. When you are comfortable with the behavior, save your chart layout so your configuration is ready the next time you open Tradingview.